Welcome to Codebooks Academy, where learning meets innovation. Dive into the world of software development and accounting with tutorials that bring subjects to life. Whether you're a budding developer, an aspiring leader, or a finance enthusiast, our tutorials are crafted to enlighten, empower, and entertain. With Codebooks Academy, you're not just learning, you're embarking on a journey of discover. Let's get started. A database with strong data consistency checks can help ensure the integrity of your data, even in situations of system failure. What are your security requirements, especially for handling payment info? Security requirements are top priority when dealing with sensitive information such as payment data. An unsecured system is a vulnerable one, open to attacks that can lead to data breaches, causing immense damage in terms of both financial loss and reputational damage. How scalable does your system need to be? This question is integral to the long-term success of your software. A system that can't scale up to meet increasing demands will eventually become redundant, causing potential disruptions to your services and loss of business. And lastly, what are your integration needs? This is another key consideration because your system needs to be able to integrate with various other systems. The level of integration required will influence your choice of programming language and database. Next, we move on to the process of choosing your database.
Continuous Learning. Codebooks Academy. Thank you for watching.